Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to cook you a lovely dish. Something you might have seen before, but I'm going to use some chicken leg meat, boneless, and I'm going to create a dish, lovely dish with a bit of asparagus, bit of mushroom sauce to go along with it. If this is the first time you're watching the channel, just to let you know you're welcome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for this video tutorial. So to make this lovely dish, here I have some chicken leg meat, boneless. These are some of them already cut these up, so I'm just drying them a bit. Now with this, you can put whatever season you want on it, but I'm going to use some coarse Himalaya salt. Just get the salt over it. Cracked black pepper. Then I'm going to turn it over. Try to season both sides. If you wish to add any more season to it, you can do so, but it's personal preference. So here I have my pan on. So I'm going to put some oil in it. And I'm going to get it up to a good temperature. So meanwhile, the pan is getting hot. Just going to prepare my shallots. This also personal preference. Mushroom. Just going to use some button mushroom. So let's go ahead and slice them in the desired shape you want them. So that's a mushroom ready to go. So now the pan is getting real hot. Just turn the gas down a bit. So with the pan, oil is hot now. So I'm gonna place the chicken down. But when it's like this, don't be in a rush or hurry to turn it. Just let it sit a bit. As you can see here, the color, turning color. But leave it. So now I'm going to turn them. So here I have some rosemary. Garlic cloves. Add some butter in. What I'm doing now, I'm just basting it. Get that butter flavor over it. Now this is ready, so I'm going to take it out and just let it relax. So now I'm going to show you how to make simple some mushroom sauce. So I'm going to add some oil in. So I'm going to use 1 shallot. Okay, so make this beautiful sauce. Here I have a pan, so I'm just going to put the shallots in. So make sure you start season. So I have some coarse sea salt in, some cracked black pepper. So what I'm going to do now, just going to add the mushroom in. Remember also, season, coarse sea salt. Just kind of keep it a little bit natural, not too much powder season in it. So now I turn the flame up back. Black pepper. Over this side, I have some potato going, as you can see there. At this point, I'm going to add some butter in. rosemary, I'm gonna add 1 clove crushed garlic, try to see if it needs more season. That's fine. So now I have another ingredient I'm going to add in. I'm going to put 2 spoons of creme fraiche in this and then turn the gas off. So once the creme fraiche is in, just turn the gas off. Otherwise, you cook it too much, it's going to split. So now you get a creamy mushroom sauce. Look at that. So now I'm going to take a potato. I'm not going to use the one I've just shown. I have some lovely potato here. Just do this one. Nice potato. Just going to take the chicken, offset it like this. Bit of the mushroom sauce is on the side. I have some asparagus I'm going to finish it off with. So I'm just going to finish it off with asparagus here. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the finished product. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comments.